saw an opportunity to get back to our roots, get back to what I felt was important for the company, and that was, one is our people. Our people are our asset.
Our philosophy isn't the traditional philosophy as the vice president's in charge. It's the opposite way, which is our employees are the most important people out here.
Programs like Redzone and some of the accountability and communication tools and goal setting and actions have made those group of those operators on the floor our most valuable team members. So it's certainly, we manage and we kind of project manage and make sure we're working on the right things and support them. But really, our main job is to turn them into continuous improvement team members, and so far it's been awesome.
It's been a tool for us to communicate face-to-face. It brings teams of diverse people throughout our plants together.
The difference between Redzone and those kind of programs is the program is written for the employees on the floor, and it gives them the information they need. It's not for the president of the company. So it gave the folks on the floor the tools to fix their own problems. And quite frankly, that's a more successful model.
If I can help people have a successful work life and reach the goals at work, that allows them to reach their goals at home.
It was an immediate positive response. Look, when I do well, I can see it in front of me and everybody else can see it as well.
Maintenance and production, the communication gap that has filled there, priceless for us. Didn't have that solution.
It's a paradigm shifting of management going in and looking at reporting versus people reporting out until this was happening. So in that capacity, it's really been a game changer.
Now we have 100 people almost that have gone through this type of training, so they've got this new skill set and are able to really continue to do things differently on a daily basis and look at how we operate differently on a daily basis as well.
We had folks that were dismissed and seen as somebody that wasn't going to make any improvement, and all of a sudden they're like, nobody listened to me for 5 years, and now I'm leading the huddles, I'm leading the line, and now I'm getting promoted, and I'm getting into positions where I can effectuate change, and the managers just got to step back and go, all right.
You see the pride, you see those guys driving their own process, not needing a supervisor, not needing me or a manager helping them to fix their problems. They're fixing their own problems, and we've got that everywhere. Some teams are doing better than others, but overall, great results from all the teams.